Hi, let me show you how to force quit an app on iPhone. So, firstly, if your iPhone does not have home button here, so everything is managed with gestures, then you need to just swipe up like that till the middle. And here you'll see this list of your recently opened apps. So here find app which is bothering you and close it from the background running just by swiping it up like that. You can close all of your apps like that. Also, you can use your two fingers to close two apps at once, as well as free apps and so on. And now if your phone is with home button right here, then you'll need to double press this button and you'll see this list as well. So as I said before, just swipe up like that. So hold it on the bottom where it ends and swipe up. Just like this. And now we need to first restart iPhone. So if your app is lagging, then you can first restart it with the help of pressing volume up button first, then quickly volume down and then hold the side button till you can see Apple logo appears on the screen. Just ignore this part of menu, continue holding like that, just a few seconds, and yep, now we see this power button and we can release this side button and just wait for the phone to turn back on. And after it turned on, just repeat the process. So close all of your recently opened apps as well, or just app which is bothering you. And you can repeat this process as many times as you need. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.